When's my birthday? My birthday is February 17, 2007.
What's up, baby? Did you miss me?
Hello everyone, Chris Hansen here of Hansen vs. Predators. To catch a predator and have a seat with Chris Hansen, I'm going to need you to have a seat right over there. I've been going through some transcripts and it's come to my attention.
Yako, it's time to take the ink blot test. Now, tell me, what does this remind you of? What does this remind you of? What does this remind you of? You are obsessed with...
Hey, you're the one showing me all this.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
I'll have 2 number 9s. Number 9 number 6 4. Everyone gonna remember my name. Big Smoke. Oh.
I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you crying.
Hey Eli, shake the streets
I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Pick me up, don't know if it's what I need, but it's what I want, got a guy for me. Yeah.
It's showtime!
And I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you crying. I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest.
Stomach hurts like a motherfucker, dog. The fuck is that?
I'll get to that in a minute. Who are you?
Nigga, don't be mad, my nigga, because I'm enjoying some good-ass food. And you a bust-ass nigga, punk-ass bitch talking shit on the internet like a hoe-ass nigga who gets no hoes.
It's an investigation for a television program.
That part.
I shitted in my pants. I am for real. Never meant to make my booty shit. I apologize, I shit my pants. I shitted in my pants. I am for real. Never meant to make my booty shit. I apologize, I shit my pants.
If you honestly believe that I'm a motherfucking pedophile, you're fucking high.
Ma'am, I don't feel like working out today. Maybe tomorrow.
Diabetes is beautiful.
Damn, you niggas are funny.
Because at the end of the day, long as there's 2 people left on the planet, someone is going to want someone dead.
Freestyle it.
You smell like you farted.
On the boat, I guess you was talking.
Woo! It's showtime! Woo!
I do?
Go to the office!
What did I do?
What the fuck was that?
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close.
What the fuck was that?
Stop it. Will you please stop it?
Yeah, here he is. Hey, can I go home now?
Oh, look! He's up in the sky! Well, he's not home. They must have gone to search some more.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Human music. I like it. I let him reactivate you to put your ass out. Gotta put the roll in so bad enough to pass out. Wanna dig you, and we can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your thoughts. I'm the fly guy to catch you at the club. Your hips have got me feeling, body jumping to me, but I think I bring the meaning. No, if you wanna roll with me, there'll be some chance of you lady on the freeway. Catch me if you can, continue in my ride. Still, I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. So anything you ask for, either him or me, the champagne.
Yeah, it's right across from the wall. Jack in the box on the right hand.
He's calling a friend.
Hey there. What can I help you with?
He's calling a friend right now.
Yeah, he's at the apartment.
I can do it, but not for long.
He's calling a friend right now. Philip?
Black Air Force Ones, girl, I'll kill someone for you. Got you on my list of things to do. I don't want anyone but you. Making all my dreams come true.
Here's the pitch.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
If a woman sleeps with 10 guys, then she's considered a slut. Now, if a man does it, then he would be gay.
What's up, man? What's up?
No fist? Okay. No fist bump?
I don't fist bump people like you, man.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Bang!
Counter-terrorists win.
Are you winning, son?
What? Face up.
Pick it up before I open it. It's not open yet. Brand new.